Myself Bhavasana Manju.
Myself Amisha.
We are the student of Excellent High School and we are in class 10. We bring a project. This project theme is emerging technology. We saw two types of concept. First we saw home fire detection. Second I saw flood alert. When a fire breakdowns in any region in a house, it often does unnoticed at first. By the time it is noticed, it has already taken a very large, dangerous and cause of a very great damage. When a fire breaks out in this house, emergency alert will sound and water pump spray water in this house. And opposite side, the emergency exit door will open. Through this system, we can control the fire and we can save the people's life. When flood occurs, flood water enters people's house and causes a heavy loss of their lives and property. Here a roof-like structure is made using by lightweight materials. When the flood water comes, a siren will be sound. And the roof rises upward to this type. See. When the flood water reduces, the house return to its original position. Through this, people can save their valuable things, also properties.
In this project, we use blackboard, lithium battery, gear motor, fire sensor, water pump, and buzzer. Here we use moisture sensor, battery, and buzzer.